Hello, my name is Pankuri and I am a student at PCTU. I belong from Lucknow.
So we asked Pankuri about her 6 months experience in PCTU Vietnam.
When I came here, we had the simulation hospital which was into functioning, but now we have the university hospital. Along with that, we are also introduced to the first medical museum and a library which is absolutely paper free. Which is like a digital library, and the teachers and the staff is very cooperative. Honestly, the college basically is very liberal and student oriented, so they basically focus on the liberal way of teaching, which includes not to give a lot of pressure to the students. So their examination system, their teaching system is very like student oriented, which makes it very easy for the students to achieve the knowledge and then imply it, not to just mug up the facts and just write it in the exam and forget it. The college basically provides you with a lot of activities. There is actually a department which takes care of all the activities that are going to take place in the university. So there is always some or the other activity taking place in the university, and students get a lot of extra exposure except from just studying. Several clubs in the college itself. Even like for the students who struggle with their language speaking, we have clubs for them. Apart from that, we have a lot of outdoor clubs. There is a nuclear club which basically offers students to participate in several charity events and like several events that basically based on the overall improvement of the students. If we talk about the students here, the students are very friendly. So your seniors are friendly to you, your juniors are friendly to you, everyone around you, even your teachers are very friendly. So that gives a very positive environment in the university and creates a sense of solidarity among the students. Then let's talk about the new high-tech hospital here. So it's completely paper free, first of all. Secondly, it is fully equipped with a lot of new machinery which is AI based, which is gonna be the future of medicine. So yep, I think it was one of my best decisions to join this university, and I would recommend this university to everyone out there. Thank you. Bye bye.